Today we're testing out some new night vision binoculars from VisioGear. They have a 3,940 foot range. It has 4 different stages of night vision, as well as a full color mode. And the video has pretty good quality, especially in the daylight. And these binoculars come in a well-padded box to keep them safe during shipping. Inside the box, you have a user manual, a microfiber cleaning cloth, a carabiner clip with compass, a USB-C charging cable, a 64GB micro SD card, a padded neck strap, and then your binoculars. The back has a padded viewfinder, and the front has your lenses, a lens cap, and the flashlight. The side has your SD card slot, as well as a charge port. The bottom has a tripod mount hole and another compass. On top, you have your power button, digital zoom controls, flashlight buttons, and your mode change button. Push and hold the power button to turn it on. Then the screen on the back lights up, giving you a bright display to look through. The first thing that I noticed is that when there's a little bit of sunlight left, the picture is so crisp. The full color mode looks really good and true to life. I watched the sunset, and the colors were vibrant. Then the moon started to come out. I was able to zoom into the craters and have the moon fill up the whole screen. As it got darker and the moon got brighter though, it blew out the picture and you couldn't see the details of the moon, except for the reflection in the night vision mode. This is because the f.14 lens, it lets in a ton of light to see in the dark. I looked around at the stars, and you could see so many that weren't visible to the naked eye. They have different brightness, size, and color, and it was so cool to look at. I left it out recording for a few hours, and got the coolest time lapse of the cosmos. It is a little grainy, but was still a sight to see. And as I was looking around, I was able to capture multiple satellites too. I couldn't see them with the eyes, but through the viewfinder, you could see the movement. This clip, you can see a plane, so that's why I'm assuming it's a satellite. I've used the binoculars for a few days to stargaze and look at the moon. One of the days I caught the moon with Venus and the star Regulus. This was a really unique moment, and I'm glad I had the binoculars for this. Aside from stargazing, it's also been nice to use to keep an eye on the chicken coop at night, as well as look around our property to investigate noises. For instance, we have an owl that hangs around here, and I've never seen it, only heard it. Next time it's out, it'd be great to use these binoculars to find it and check it out. The flashlight is pretty bright too, which has been helpful to see where I'm going. And I like that you can switch from color mode to night vision. The 4 different levels of night vision is nice too. Definitely brights up the area. On the brightest setting, you can see the humidity in the air. None of this was visible to my eyes, so it was kinda mesmerizing. My only complaint is that I wish it had a variable lens. With my DSLR lenses, I can choose how much light I let in. When the moon is blown out like it was earlier, I can adjust the lens to let in less light and bring out more details. So I hope they can add a variable lens like this in the future. Other than that, I'm really impressed with this. And it's been so much fun to stargaze and see through the night. If you're looking for some nice night vision binoculars that are great for security, camping, hunting, or stargazing, these binoculars from VisioGear might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go check out the cosmos. See ya.